All right, today we're going to do SRA, so I want you to find your green textbook and your workbook. You're going to open your textbook to Lesson 2. Looks like this. About dropped it on my foot. I'm waiting for a couple people in my room to get theirs out. When I say column, this is what I'm talking about. These are the columns. And I want you to put your finger on column 1, which is purple. That's where we're going to start. Let me go see what's going on over here. Okay. All right. Put your finger on column 1. Word 1 is whole. What word?
Whole.
Spell whole. Get ready. The word whole that is spelled like this means all of it, the whole thing. Here's another way of saying all of a banana. A whole banana. Everybody, what's another way of saying all of a vacation? A whole vacation. Good. Word 2 is moop. Rhymes with hoop. What word? Moop. Spell moop. A moop is a make-believe animal you're going to read about in our story. Word 3 is carry. What word? Spell carry. Get ready. Carry was one of our sight words in first grade. Carry. Word 4 is covered. What word? Spell covered. Get ready. O-V-E-R-E-D. Word 5 is make-believe. What word? Make-believe is another word for pretend. Here's another way of saying it. It was a pretend story. It was a make-believe story. Everybody, what's another way of saying they told about a pretend animal? Say the whole sentence. They told about a make-believe animal. Word 6 is facts. What word? Sentences that give you information are facts. So like in our book we read this morning, in our treehouse book, where the bold print was, that was a fact. It gave us information about the layers of a rainforest. Trees have roots. That's a fact. Tell me another fact about trees. Good, Emily. They have leaves. What else? What do all living things do? They grow and they make babies. Good job. All right, let's read those words again the fast way. So we're doing the purple column, and you're going to read them quickly. Okay, word 1, what word? Word 2, what word? Moop. Moop. Word 2, what word? Word 2, what word? Word 2, what word? Moop. There you go. Word 3, what word? Word 4, what word? Word 5, what word? Word 6, what word? Good job. Find column 2. It's orange. Word 1, what word? Through. Good, guys. Spell through. Get ready. Through. Word 2, what word? Straight. You're right. Straight. AI says A. Look at the words, Charlie. You see the AI in it? AI always says A. So let's spell straight. S-T-R-I. Miss Merrill can't even do it. Let's start again. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Word 3, what word? Forest. And we're learning about what kind of forest? A rainforest. That's right. Spell forest. Get ready. Word 4, what word? Field. Spell field. Get ready. Word 5, page. What word? Spell page. Get ready. Good. All right. Column number 3. Word 1. What word? Everybody. Zakari. We're on column 3. Word 1. What word? Stripe. Word 2. What word? Pointed. Word 3. What word? Word 4. What word? Someone who is wise is very smart. Another way of saying a very smart woman is a wise woman. You are wise. No, wise just means smart. If something looks strange, it does not look like it should look. A strange cow does not look like other cows. A strange tree does not look like other trees. How do you know about a strange cow? It could have no tail, or it could be a different color, right? It doesn't look like other cows, right? How do you know about a strange horse? It just wants you to say it doesn't look like other horses. Okay. All right, now I'm going to call on people. Sorry, don't mess with that. Now I'm going to call on people, and you're going to read me a column. Are you ready? Yes? Jirali, purple column. Shout it out. There you go. All right, Emily, you ready to shout it out? Orange column. It's amazing how quiet you guys get when I call on you. You're like so loud when I don't call on you, and then when I call on you, you're like. All right, Sakari, read the third one. Thank you. That was good. I could hear you. All right. Find part B. You see where it says B, make-believe animals? You're going to read a story about finding moops. What did it tell us moops were? No, moop. Look at column 1. Go back to column 1. What's the second word say? Moop. And it said, a moop is a make-believe animal that you're going to read about. That's what it says. All right. It's going to give us some facts about some make-believe animals. I'm going to call on different students to read. You have to read loudly so the whole class can hear you if I call on you. Everybody else needs to be following along with their pointer finger, so if I call on you, you don't lose your place. Everyone touch the title. Jaden, Peanut Jaden, read the title. No, we're on B. You turned the page. We didn't turn the page. There you go. Make believe animals. Everybody, what's the title? All right. Abby, read the next sentence there. It starts with here's. Here's a real animal. What kind of animal is that? That's an alligator. I went for a walk last night, and I walked past the pond, and there was a 5-foot, like 5-foot alligator. He was just sitting there on the side of the pond. Yeah. I see alligators all the time when I take my walks. Because we have ponds all in our neighborhood. All right. Emily, what's the next sentence say? Here's a make-believe animal. How do we know he's make-believe? He's got wheels for feet. I wouldn't want him chasing me. All right, next sentence, Kaylee. What parts? Under the alligator. What parts of the animal are make-believe? What did we decide? The wheels, definitely, right? All right, Jaden Thompson on the story. I can't hear you. We're on the story, under the alligator, the story. No. Again, guys, you have to follow along. Jorali, the story. Animals called moops. All right, now Jaden, you try. Moops. Good. Sakari? There are not really any moops. Are there really any moops? Okay, we need to read the sentence again. Emily, read that sentence. That means, are there any moops? No, they're make-believe, right? Okay, turn the page. All right. It says number your paper 1 through 9, but we're not going to number a paper. We're just going to go through them, okay? And we're going to figure this out. All right. A, what do you think, guys? Is he a moop or a real animal? Definitely a moop. He has chicken legs and a puffy face and little antennas. All right, B, real animal or a moop? Real animal, right? That's an alligator. Drelly, what about C? C. Does that look like any animal you've ever seen? Letter C. Point to C. Or, yeah. No, that's a moop. Look, he's got little webbed feet like a duck. And then he's got a horn, and then he's got like one curly thing coming out of the top of his head. All right, D. Real or moop? Moop. Mermaids aren't real. It's a moop. They're not real. Letter E. Real animal or moop? Real. What is it? It's a horse. Letter F. Real animal or moop? Real. It's a fish. It's a fish. Oh. All right. Find part D, which is right there. We're going to read the story 2 times. First, we're going to read it out loud, and then I'll read it and ask you some questions. Remember to follow along when someone else is reading. Everybody touch the title. Kaylee, read us the title. Bob and Dawn find moops. What's the title? Everybody. All right. What's going to happen in this story? They're going to find moops. Everybody, are moops real animals or make-believe animals? Make-believe. All right, here we go. Zakari, read the first sentence. Loudly. Where'd they live? Everybody, where'd they live? Jaden Thompson, where'd they live? Okay, read it again, Zakari. Jaden, pay attention this time. Good. All right, now, Jaden Thompson, read the next sentence. There are many strange what in the forest? Good. Emily, your turn. One strange animal was a moop. Jaden Baumgartner. Moops were